All right, people. So here my nephew is talking to me about Transformers as usual, showing me some videos on Facebook, Transformer reviews. This one is what? Apocalypse Trypticon, Trypticon Apocalypse, and
it's behind. Look.
Yeah, it's okay. And so the crotches of this Trypticon is a angry face goblin. I'm gonna show you. He's gonna talk about it too.
Yeah.
I was like, why would they put an angry face goblin?
Okay, look.
Angry goblin crotch face, but hey, it's alright. You got some more of that metallic purple going on in here, up here. Some transparent purple plastic right there. Some more of that metallic purple.
Why would they put angry face crotches?
Awesome, really cool figure.
Why would they do that?
Articulation-wise, the head.
These toys, you have to wonder why. When the man said angry face goblin crotch, I was like, what? Say what now? Oh, what you talking about with
Cyber squirrel. You can look down, mouth.
this? So, Gaby, you're gonna talk about what you were telling me about this. You saw G1 Trypticon. You were like,
you're videotaping that too.
just talk. The G1 Trypticon. You said that one was good until you saw this. Okay. The other thing about this toy, it's Apocalypse. It's big. It's big, but it comes in two parts. The guy's like, be sure you order both parts. And I'm thinking, why would somebody want? Because it comes in two halves, the top half and the bottom half. And I'm thinking, why not sell them together? If it has to go in two different boxes, then it goes in two different boxes. But why would somebody just order the top part and not the bottom part?
Because it'll be too big.
Yeah, but why would somebody just order that? Would you just order the bottom part by itself, or would you just order the top part by itself?
Heck no.
Exactly. It don't make no sense. I'm like, why? If somebody ordered
unless you get
and
both
then,
part Trypticons is useless.
If what?
Unless you get both parts Trypticon is useless.
Yeah, but I mean, mind you, it can transform into how many different? You said 5 different ways. I don't know.
Usually 3.
Yeah, but it was just weird to me that it would a toy, like if somebody ordered, like if I was ordering it for Gabriel, I'm gonna order part 1, not realizing there's a part 2, and then say I buy it for his birthday or something like that. Next thing I know, he's telling me, oh, where's the second part? I feel shame.
You would?
Of course I feel shame. Like, there's a second part? Like, really?
Nana has to see this.
The angry goblin crutches?
Yes.
And why would they put the crutches angry? Like, why would they do that?
Anyway?
I know. Like, that's the second part. The second part has the crutches angry. Like, can you imagine in the cartoon?
They didn't have that.
I know. But can you imagine if in the cartoon or the movie, Apocalypse, the Trypticon, had a goblin or whatever it is face, angry face crotch?
At least it didn't have lasers as P.
What?
At least it didn't have lasers as P.
Who has lasers as P?
No one.
Oh, you're making it up? No, please don't make those things up. Please don't make those things up.
It's true. Nana! Come look at this.
No, you don't want to see it.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Yes,
Nana
you do.
just want to see it.
Don't listen to her.
She's
She's deranged.
what kind of demon thing you look fun? It's what kind of demon? Why would they put demon? Nobody look like a demon on the man crutches. And then what did you say, Gaby? Why would somebody's lower half be angry?
I said, why would they even put something like that?
Yeah, you said why would somebody's lower half be angry? It's true. It's big though. It's big. I'll give them that. It is big and it has a lot of transforming. But the 2 things wrong with it. The angriness at the crutches is a whole crutch area, you know, it's not just a small face, it's a whole crutch area is angry. and then it being in two parts. It makes absolutely no sense. None whatsoever. None.
They're talking about Crotch cheese.
The elbow joints. Each finger is individually articulated. The
Crotches.
base and a hinge right here, which is very tight.
I know what that means.
And the thumb also.
Feed me.
There. Sometimes these can come undone a little bit too easily.
Whatever.
For my liking.
Anyways, we're gonna go see Wonder Woman tonight.
Ding 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 ding. Wonder Woman. Ding 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 ding. Wonder Woman.
He does,
All the world is waiting for you.
he does have an
And the magic that you
just one click, but you can
do.
add
Okay.